Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove payment methods on your Play Store. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then click on payments and subscriptions. Now over there just simply click on payment methods. Now over here you will see all of your payment methods at the top part. Now in order for you to actually remove the payment methods, what you have to do is just simply scroll down and click on more payment settings. Then just simply choose a browser. Now after that just simply choose your Gmail address which you want the payment address to be removed. Now after you're in your payment center, what you have to do is just simply click on the three lines at the top right. Then go to payment methods. Now you will find all of your payment methods over here. So all you have to do is just simply click on the payment method that you want to remove and hit remove at the bottom part, as you can see. Then again just simply click on remove and your payment method will be removed, as you can see over here. And now if you go back to your Play Store and just simply reopen the Play Store again, and you will see the payment method is now gone. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.